Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming admin access and enabling Drive for your Google Workspace account. This gives you shared Drive creation and permission control. Next, create a small, consistent folder hierarchy: clients, projects, finance, HR, so files land predictably. Once done, apply a naming convention like YIMM Client Project to every new folder and file to avoid duplicates and confusion. Make sure to set default access levels for new folders now, because early structure saves hours later and prevents permission sprawl. You now lock down permissions and establish workflows. For team documents, use shared drives so ownership belongs to the team rather than an individual. Assign manager, content manager, or editor roles to align responsibilities. Once roles are set, create and store templates, proposals, invoices, SOP, in a templates folder, and set sharing to view only for most users. Then automate repetitive tasks with Google Forms for intake, App Script for simple workflows, and Drive shortcuts to maintain single sources of truth. This reduces manual handoffs and version. You finish by syncing and auditing to keep the system healthy. Install Drive for desktop only on devices that need active sync and exclude bulky archives to save bandwidth. Instead, archive to cold storage. Then schedule quarterly audits to review permissions, locate orphaned files, and reclaim storage, because small fixes prevent big breaches. If something goes wrong, use version history to revert edits and the admin console or trash restore to recover deleted items. Make sure you act quickly, as retention windows are limited.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.